Line has been extended, but the clock is still ticking for state employees to get the COVID-19 vaccine in Illinois. Let's check in with our Sydney Stallworth. She is live for us this morning. She has more on this extension. That's actually thanks to some of the workers' unions who reached out to the governor. Sydney, good morning.
Good morning. That's right. Today was the original deadline for employees in Illinois and workers in state prison facilities to get the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. But after some of those workers unions reached out to the governor, he decided that he's going to push back that deadline by 10 days. Let's take a look. So the deadline has been extended after multiple workers unions reached out and said the original deadline today was too strict and too soon. Now employees will have to show proof that they've had at least the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine by October 14th and their second dose by November 18th. Let's talk about who this mandate impacts. It covers state employees at state veterans homes, developmental centers, correctional facilities, long-term care facilities, and juvenile justice facilities. Employees in state veterans homes are leading the way in vaccinations, though most of them already have the shot. By last count, more than 96% are vaccinated. Some workers can get exemptions from being vaccinated for medical or religious reasons. Governor Pritzker says this mandate is really important to protect inmates and prison workers since they work so closely together. The Illinois Department of Corrections says their employees will be required to present their vaccination card as proof on the 14th of this month. But if that deadline comes and a state employee doesn't have an exemption and isn't vaccinated, they could be facing disciplinary action. Now, employees who decide they won't get the shot could potentially be denied access from these state facilities unless they agree to be tested for COVID-19 every week. And the executive order actually says that could be even more frequently if they see a spike in COVID-19 cases. And these employees who deny getting vaccinated for COVID-19 vaccine will have to wear a mask inside these buildings at all times. In Belleville, Sydney Stallworth, 5 on your side.
Thank you, Sydney.